So I'm gonna run to the parts store, pick up 2 sway bar end links, 1 for each side, throw a battery on a charger, come back. Probably gonna get the valve cover gasket and water pump too on there. Not sure. I know, and the belt. I might go ahead and grab everything all at once. So keep hanging with us, guys. We're working on it.
Blowing smoke sky, yeah, I believe we can fly. Turn off the light. What am I? What am I? Blowing smoke sky, yeah, I believe we can fly. Turn off the light. What am I? What am I? Burning, 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 burning. Smoking hash just like Slash, I'm like that. Burning, 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 burning. Smoking hash just like Slash, I'm like that. Blowing smoke sky, yeah, I believe we can fly. Turn off the light. What am I? What am I? Burning, 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 burning. Smoking hash just like Slash, I'm like that. Burning, 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 burning. Smoking hash just like Slash, I'm like that. Burning, 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 burning. Smoking hash just like Slash, I'm like that. Burning, 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 burning. Smoking hash just like Slash, I'm like that. Blowing smoke sky.
Alright, after a little bit of cutting and cutting persuasion, Jacob's over here tightening up the top bolts. You've got, oh no, where'd it go? What'd you do with the valve cover? Oh. So we're doing something kind of corny. Painted the valve cover. Yeah, looks 100 times better than what it did. So we got the rear struts in, but of course you're seeing us cutting out the sway bar links, as you can see there. So the new, all right, quick update on the Camry. We've gotten driver front, driver rear, passenger rear done. We were working on this driver side, or passenger side, excuse me, passenger side front. The reason why this isn't put together yet is because we just did the timing chain, put new timing chain, new oil pump chain in, new water pump. We got a new harmonic balancer, new belt tensioner, new belt over there we're going to put on. We got the valve cover over here. I'm about to slap it on with the new gasket. Once I clean that head up a little bit, make sure that surface is clean. And then we got to replace the CV axle that I've ripped on this passenger side. Put the strut in, put the tire on, do the oil change, fill it up with coolant. And then it's go time. It's fun time after that. We get to pull the Mustang in and get started on it. So, sorry about that little camera issue. Jacob is here. He's upstairs talking to his mom right now. He will be down here in a few. I think we got the cabin air filter on the video. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure we did. This car has been a pain. You can tell this thing has been pretty much original. 345,000 miles on this car, I do believe. So I'm gonna keep turning at it, see if I can't get this thing somewhat done tonight, because we got to get Cliff in here, man. I'm missing the Stang, and I got to get this out of here so Jacob can get it cleaned up and get it ready to move on. But I guess I'm gonna throw you guys up on time lapse real quick, and we'll go from there.
To the patrol. To the patrol.
Alright, so finally the last piece on the Camry. The last piece. Done.
Finally. Yeah, give me that.
So, everything that's been done to this thing, we'll recap real quick. There's a lot of fast moving video, and there's probably some stuff I'm going to cut out. But, quickly, all 4 new struts, sway bar links, timing chain, oil pump chain, new timing chain tensioner, and gasket. Yeah. Guys, if you do a timing chain on this, go ahead and order the stupid little gasket for the timing chain tensioner. Water pump, new belt, new harmonic balancer. That messed up on us. The belt tensioner was messed up. We broke the CV axle on the passenger side. because we're smart.
Yeah. Drop the engine down on it. It was great.
All new sway bar links. I think I said that.
Yeah.
New air filter, new cabin air filter. Luckily, we did change that because it was really, really bad.
Yep.
Valve cover, gasket, tube seals, ignition coils, all 4 of them, new plugs.
Yeah, we basically got this thing completely refreshed, put new transmission fluid in it from where we accidentally messed up the axle.
Yep.
And honestly, we probably needed to do that. You know, change out a little bit of the transmission fluid.
Yeah,
So
I don't think it's
probably, you know,
a good thing.
a good thing that happened.
Definitely. But the nice thing is it's finally done. We can take it to the new owners.
Yep.
Get it out of here because we're trying to consolidate in a way.
Yeah. We got our 2 project cars here now.
Yep.
We got, we're about to get rid of this. We got the BMW that was someone else's car, a friend's car. We got that out of here.
And then this will be out of here real soon too.
Mustang.
We've got
Flip.
the new clutch, the new flywheel. We just got to get it up in there, get the transmission out. Luckily, the block is not cracked as bad as we thought it was.
Yep.
And then we got some new stuff that's going to go on that transmission to keep that from happening ever again. We'll have a separate video of that. But dude, we're done.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
And I'm gonna be honest with you guys. If you go back and look, we hadn't had a video in over a month.
Yep.
This is
hold
the
your
reason
arm
why.
up. Hold your arm up. This
Yeah,
is
look.
what we've been going through with this Camry.
Dude, and
They're
this
all
is
cut
all
up.
this is all from right here.
Yep.
Just going down here.
Yeah,
And it
man.
has tore me up.
Yeah, this thing's been a hassle to get through, but we've got it finished. It's running good.
Yep.
It should last the new owners hopefully a lifetime.
Another 320,000 miles, if
Yeah.
not more.
We passed down through their generations.
Yeah, through their kids, and
Yep.
when they start driving, it's a very good car. Only thing we got left to do is wash it. We're not gonna.
Yeah, we're not gonna bore you with
waste
that.
you. You know how we do it. So.
Yeah, we're about to go drop it off, so it'll be a quick wash, and then this
Oosh.
thing is finished.
So we give a quick spin around the block, just get up the temp. I got the fogger over there. With that being said, guys, hang with us. We hope you like the new format you're getting on Sunday.
Yep.
Silverado Sunday, which is, you can't see it right now. On Wednesday, you're getting whatever Wednesday.
Yeah.
So it's going to be like
Probably
this.
like this, stuff like this.
Your truck,
Yeah, my truck.
boat. We got a
Yeah,
boat
we
over here. We
have
gotta
a
get
boat
to.
right there, the Camry back there,
Yeah,
our
I
other
mean,
Camry.
we got so much crap going on.
Got a lot of stuff
Yeah, and then Fox Body Friday.
peeking over there.
Yeah, we got some new stuff sitting over
New
there
wheels,
on the floor.
yeah. I'd be in that video.
Yeah, but
Yeah, man.
and a steering wheel for it too.
And steering wheel over
Yeah,
there, yeah.
So all that being said, guys, thank you for hanging out with us, and for the ones that have been subscribing to us without us putting videos out, thank you too.
Yeah,
So.
thank you.
But as always, man, we appreciate everything you do. Make sure you hit that like button, turn your post notifications on, and hit the subscribe button.
Do it.
Do it. Why not? And like always, man, smile more? No,
No,
that's
no,
Roman.
no.
Dude, I forgot.
Yeah, okay.
No. As always, guys, we love you. Dream big. We'll see y'all later.